If you're just starting bag making, please don't make the mistake of buying every tool you see another bag maker using. You honestly do not need a whole workshop to make your first beautiful bag. Some tools are absolutely necessary. Some will make your work easy, and some are just really fun to have. So in this video, I'm breaking down the tools and materials you actually need as a beginner bag maker. Let's start with the basics. The first thing you need is a good pair of fabric scissors. And when I say good, I don't necessarily mean expensive. You just need a sharp pair that you use mainly for fabric. Please don't use your fabric scissors to cut paper, cardboard, and everything else. That is a very quick way to make them dull. Next is a measuring tape. You'll use this constantly, especially when measuring curves, straps, and different parts of your bag. You'll also need a ruler. A straight ruler is enough when you're starting, but as you progress, you may eventually want a longer ruler or an acrylic quilting ruler. Then we have fabric marking tools. This could be your chalk, disappearing ink pen, or another marking tool suitable for your fabric. And of course, you need needles and threads suitable for the materials you're working with. Now, depending on the type of bags you're making, you may also want a rotary cutter. Are they compulsory? No, you can absolutely start with scissors. And trust me, as a beginner, you will probably become very familiar with it. Mistakes happen. That's part of learning. Now let's talk about the tools that aren't necessarily compulsory, but are really nice to have. Things like a hole punch, all edge creaser, corner turning tool, rivet setter, and snap button pliers. You don't need all of these on day one. Buy them as your projects begin to require them. And that's something I really want beginners to understand. Don't buy tools because they look professional. Buy tools because they solve a problem you actually have. Now let's talk about materials. The fabric you choose depends heavily on the type of bag you're making. You can work with cotton, canvas, denim, angora, faux leather, and many other materials, but remember, different fabrics behave differently. Then we have bag hardware, things like D-rings, swivel hooks, buckles, magnetic snaps, rivets, bag feet, zipper sliders, and zipper pulls. Again, you don't need to buy every type of hardware available. Start with the ones your projects actually require.